I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 and $20,000 just from investing in Walmart stock. But first, where do you find Walmart's dividend? Well, I'm going to show you. This website is called Seeking Alpha. You can search for any stock you want right there. There's Walmart, and now you're on the Walmart homepage and you just look right there, and that's the dividend information you need. And if you click on the dividend tab right up here, you can find some other information like their dividend safety grade if you have a premium Seeking Alpha account, and their dividend growth. Look at that, 50 years of dividend growth. But their dividend kind of sucks. If you wanted to make $1,000 per year, you would divide it by their dividend, and then you would get this number, 1,204. That's how many shares of Walmart stock you're going to need. But what's it going to cost you? You just multiply the shares you're going to need by the current stock price, which is $59.35. And that will give you $71,457. And that's what it's going to cost you to make $1,000 in dividends from Walmart stock. What if you wanted to make $20,000? You're going to need over 24,000 shares. That's going to cost you $1.4 million. If this seems daunting or you don't like Walmart stock, remember this is just an example to illustrate the benefits of long-term consistent buy and hold investing. Smash that follow.